Welcome back. It's Chris with Wildflower Landscape Services here in the Turnberry subdivision in Reunion, Commerce City. We did a landscape remodel. We poured some concrete, some flat gray concrete, stepping down onto a stamped ashlar pattern with a desert tan color and a nutmeg release. We then installed a gas fire pit with a warming trans burner and a pergola structured roof kit from Costco. We also installed a sprinkler system with some sod, some aspen trees, and some different shrubs. This yard was kind of just dirt and rocks, and we remodeled the entire backyard. As you can see, it's a nice outdoor living space. Adds a lot of character to the yard and functioning for entertainment and get-togethers, etc. Please give Wildflower Landscape a call, 303-525-6282. Have a great day.